Hi. Hi, genius. You are a genius. Now, if you're a genius, then you have certain habits that genius have. I'll share with you in a short while. Now, you see that here, that the value here, if I change it to 3 or 4.2, notice that, you see that here, if I change it to 3, it goes to here. Now that is 3 star. But what if I want to convert this into 100%? So what is 3 over 5? So I mean, it's like this, right? So you can just take this value here, divide by 5, because the total is 5. So that would be equal to 60%. So instead of showing stars, I want to show as the icon. But it seems like an icon. So how can I do that? So I have no idea. This is just started. No. In fact, it's not no idea. You have an idea, just that you don't know how to do it yet. So how to do it yet? So what? And you go to do research, and it seems like there is no solution. So what you need at this point? You have no idea how to do it. You have an idea, but you don't know how to, right? It's not no idea. You don't know how to do it. So as a genius, well, if you want to cultivate your genius, then you need a Power Genius card. Say, look at this, right? The Power Genius card tells you that. Okay, first of all, have a attribute to God. You're made from God. Let's make mankind in our image, in our likeness. You are created by God. So now we can study what all those geniuses talk about. One of the things is that the genius takes a lot of time to be genius. To be a genius, you have to sit around so much doing nothing. Let me sit around really doing nothing. If you heard of the solution of Archimedes, another genius. So when he is most relaxed in time, he can find out the solution. And every genius do it differently. The key is that it has to be in the relaxed method way. Some people pray, some people play games, some people sleep. That's right. The Power Genius card start with sleep on it, right? So before you sleep, you take one of these Power Genius card, read on it, okay? And then, for example, any fool can make something complicated. It takes a genius to make it simple. What we learn with pleasure we never forget. Do easily what others find difficult is talent. Do what is impossible for talent is genius. So you might say that it's impossible, but not for genius. So how do you prove that? Sleep over it. That's why. In our country, Malaysia, we experiencing high food price, everything rise. There's only one thing is that the creative intelligence is not up. So when everything is up, your creative intelligence, which is God's skill and gift, is not up. Here's the problem. And you need to train your mind. So you might find that what I'm showing you here is a unnecessary invention, right? But guess what? You need to train your mind. Okay, so let's look at the solution. After I sleep for 1 hour, right after I having a lunch break, right? So click on it here. Now take a look here. Let's see here. See? Now if it's 3, oh, look at that, look at that. So how do you get the solution? Sleep over it. And then 2. Oh, now what if people say give me 12.5? Okay, so that means for every 100 students, I have that amount of people will give me a thumbs up, and the remaining says no. Okay. Well, however, if it's a genius, people will say, huh? You sleep? No, 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 right? We give you all 1 star. So genius usually like that, right? They don't get what they like. I mean, you cannot sleep. But the world say, we need innovation, we need innovations, right? And you created innovate something new. They say, oh yeah, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up. But no. Oh yeah, we can put it 5 here, 4. But innovations require a different way or a different habit. Google understand that. That's why in their office, they allow the team to sleep, to take a nap. You don't understand. And yet you demand your staff to be innovative, creative. And at the same time, you want them to multitasking? You simply don't know what is genius thing. Okay. Alright. That's all. Right. If you're interested to know how is it being done, you see that here, or maybe I can just go there. Oh yeah, okay, right. So you can see that here. Okay, we can just change it to maybe I just about here, right? Smaller. I'll put that 3. Look at that. Okay, so it's not just using thumbs up. You can use many other things that you can do it with. So look at that, right? Poo. Okay, maybe I just want to put some. Maybe I'll just put a bit bow. Oh, look at that. All right, cool. So if it is easy to do it, then show. Okay. If not, come for the Business Innovations Masterclass. See you there soon. Thank you.